In 1932, the Australian government declared war. Not on another country, not on criminals, not even on spiders, which would have made sense. No, they declared war on emus. Yes, the giant flightless birds. And the emus won. Welcome to History Derailed, where history doesn't repeat itself. It crashes into a ditch, sets itself on fire, and asks for a medal. Picture Western Australia in the early 1930s. The Great Depression is wrecking the economy. Farmers are barely scraping by, and then enter 20,000 emus, migrating, stampeding through crops, destroying fences, pooping on everything. To the farmers, they weren't birds. They were biological wheat blenders. So the farmers called the government, and the government said, "What if we send the army?" Because what better way to handle a wildlife issue than with literal machine guns? And not just any guns. They sent 2 soldiers, 2 Lewis guns, and 10,000 rounds of ammo. This wasn't pest control. This was Call of Duty flightless warfare. The mission began in November 1932. On day 1, they spotted about 50 emus. They aimed, they fired, gun jammed. The birds escaped. Emus 1, Army 0. Over the next days, the soldiers tried everything. Ambushes, mounted attacks, machine gun nests. The emus, meanwhile, used evasive maneuvers. Seriously. They would split into small groups and scatter like trained infantry. One officer said the emus had a remarkable ability to take punishment and keep going. They were describing birds. At one point, they mounted the gun to a truck. The truck couldn't keep up. It bounced. The gun missed. They fired wildly. They hit 0 emus. Emus 2, Army 0. After 1 week, rounds used 2,500. Confirmed emu casualties, maybe 200. Ratio, please stop doing math. Eventually the army said, okay, we're good, war's over. But the emus, they were just getting started. A few weeks later, they tried again. Same plan, same guns, same results. Even Parliament started asking, are we losing to birds? Yes, you were. By December, the military officially retreated. The emus had won. Australia had just lost a war to animals that looked like angry Roombas with feathers. Eventually, the government just put a bounty on emus and paid farmers to shoot them. That actually worked. Because, and this might shock you, farmers with rifles work better than military campaigns based on pure chaos. Still, the Great Emu War remains one of the most hilariously doomed operations in military history. Today, the Emu War is a meme, a national legend, a cautionary tale of pride, poor planning, and bulletproof birds. Western Australians still joke that the emus are just biding their time, plotting their next move. Of course, the internet couldn't leave this alone. There are memes, there are songs, there's even a full-on satirical feature film released in 2023 about the Emu War. TikTok reenactments, Reddit war maps, Discord roleplay servers. The birds have fan pages now. We've gone from machine guns versus birds to fan art of emu generals wearing monocles. Some even believe this was just phase 1, that the emus are watching, waiting, organizing. So the next time someone tells you humans are the dominant species, remind them of the time we sent soldiers to fight birds. And the birds won. This was History Derailed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and salute your local emu before they come back and finish the job.